welcome. I'm hoping you can see the building back there. I think it's a landmark in my neighborhood. So during these times, I'm all about enjoying and preserving local landmarks while self-quarantining / social distancing. Quick side note, we're at 22 now of April. I think that's over here in California, Los Angeles. People are still wearing masks. People are still trying to give people 4.5 feet. But I bet you there's traffic. But anyways, that was a quick side note. But they did well over the last almost 2 months. They definitely flatten the curve, whatever these phrases are. But let's get back to the reason why we're here. This building, that sign, my drone. Let's enjoy this footage, shall we? Remember, only together we fly. Oh yeah, in order to partake in this, this is Class Charlie airspace, because it's Burbank right there. So you need to ask permission from our friend, UAV Sidekick. So let's do that.
Oh, won't somebody take me home? Take me home where I live, 'cause the heat is on. You see, I left my soul where it don't belong. Left my soul on the floor and it's cold as stone.